Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. After a long time, we are coming up with a special course, and that is complete asset management course. Many people have asked for it, and I see not much is available on internet. So let me share a proper syllabus which we have prepared, and we are going to deliver it to you in a best simple way with real example, with real configuration, step by step. Okay, so let me share my screen. What we have prepared for you. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus, okay, complete path. We have divided it into modules. This is module 1, which is introduction to asset management. In this, we understand what is asset management, some key terms like asset and CI, difference between both, life cycle of asset, what is the meaning of life cycle, what is the impact of life cycle. Then we have some overview of asset management here. Finally, we discuss the difference between SAM and HAM, software asset management and hardware asset management, so that you have the complete foundation ready before going to the practical things. Okay, then we have setup asset management. In this, we discuss all the plugins, modules, okay, all basic things which are there to set up asset management in ServiceNow. Then we have module 3, where we discuss hardware asset management in detail. Okay, what are hardware assets, how to create asset model, what are asset models basically, okay, purchase orders, everything, stock rooms, consumable stock rooms, what is consumable, what is non-consumable, each and every basic definition with proper examples, industrial examples we will discuss. Then we come to module 4, where we discuss software asset management basics. Okay, here we go through what is software asset management, the practical implementation, what are software models. We discuss things about licensing, okay, and much more things we discuss. What are software reconciliation concepts? All the basic things we discuss here. Then we have asset life cycle and process automation. Okay, here we specifically discuss life cycle of an asset and how to automate that. Okay, what all are the ways available in ServiceNow to automate, and we will show some examples of automation here. Then we have module 6, where we discuss about discovery and data sources, like from where the asset details are coming, right? It has to come from somewhere, like manually or via some discovery tool. Okay, so how it is happening, we will discuss in detail. Then we have financial and contracts. Okay, some financial details of assets. What are financial assets? What are the some basic definitions related to financial assets in ServiceNow? What are contracts? Something about contract management. What is depreciation? What is appreciation? Okay, all these basic details will be discussed here in module 7. Then we have module 8, where we'll discuss out-of-box reporting and dashboards. There are a number of dashboards which are available out of box, and it is very, very critical. Okay, you have to understand the basic terms there. What these dashboards are, okay, having. Okay, so these we discuss these things in details. Then we have compliance, governance, and best practices. In this, we discuss the governance model, governance framework. We discuss some risk management in asset management as well. What is audit, how to do audit, what is audit readiness and controls, all these best practices we will discuss in module 9. Okay, then we have module 10, where we discuss advanced feature and automation. So here, how to complement asset management with respect to workflow, with respect to flow designer. So few examples we will see here. Then we have module 12. This is the final, where we try to give you some real world case studies of existing clients of ServiceNow, okay, based on what information is there available and can be shareable. Okay, so it's a complete set of asset management. We have the complete plan for you. In the next video, we start with the module 1, okay, and deep dive into this. So stay tuned, share this playlist with someone in your company, in your friend circle, in your colleague circle, who is looking for a genuine thing with respect to asset management, because one thing I guarantee, the discussion will not be boring. It will give you real-time insights. Okay, so stay tuned to ServiceNow 911 and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.